Here's probably one of the only recipes you'll ever get from me, and this is my beef roast that I make on special occasions and just once in a while for home because it's really good. And it's super easy. The oven does most of the work for you. It's only 4 ingredients. This is a chuck roast, but you can use other roasts as well. I've even used tri-tip. Whatever is on sale. That type of roast, that's what I get. Now you want to get you some beef broth. And just take that beef broth, put it in there, and pour it so it's just covering the roast. This roast is so good, it falls apart and it's heavenly. This is a key ingredient, dry leek soup mix. Don't use onion soup mix, use the leek. I'm telling you, it's so much better. Now you're just going to take that leek soup mix and just pour it right over the roast, and you don't have to stir it. Just put it in there just like this. Now the next ingredient you're going to want to use is some carne asada seasoning. And you can also use Lawry's seasoning too. It works just as well. I don't really use measurements, as you can see. I just sprinkle that stuff right on in liberally. And with your ingredients in, now it's time to take it to the oven. You want to slow cook it at 225. For 3 to 4 hours, depending on the size of the roast. Mine, I always use the same pot, and it only fits a certain size, so it's usually about 3 hours. And once that 3 hours is over, I take it out of the oven, and I'm going to take that roast, and I'm going to flip it on over, and you can see it's already about to fall apart. This roast is so good. Then you're just going to cover it again, put it back in the oven on the top rack, and then you're going to cook it for another hour at 350. And after an hour, you take it out and enjoy. And don't forget the gravy. Yum, yum.